Okay, so I'm just going to run through how to quickly buy and sell stocks with an example in this video using Wealthsimple Trade on desktop. There is a link in the description below where you can get Wealthsimple Trade, and I'll even deposit $10 into your account just for trying. So let's get started. You come here and you click log in, and then just type in your username and password. And then once you see this screen, just go to Trade and Crypto. So this will take us into Wealthsimple Trade. And here, if you don't have an account already, you can add an account. I already have an account. It's my tax-free savings account, which you can open if you want, or otherwise you can just come up here and click search for a stock. So for example, if you want to buy Tesla or something like that, you just click there. It takes you straight to Tesla's page, and all you have to do is hit 1 and then buy. Now, I don't have enough money for Tesla, so I'm going to do something a bit cheaper, but I'm just going to walk you through it. There's another one here that's kind of popular in Canada these days. It's much cheaper and more affordable. It's called drone delivery. So you can put in any stock that you want here. Basically, you just come here, you drop in the number of shares that you want to buy. So I'm just going to buy one for this example, and you can choose the order type. There's 3 options. There's market buy. That's basically you just put in the price, and like it's going to be close to this price that the market is displaying to you, but it might not be exactly. Limit buy, you can pick the highest price you're willing to pay. So I could say, 2.11, and don't go over that, and then that's pretty much going to make that happen. It won't charge me anything more than $2.11, and you can also do a stop limit buy as well. But let's just go with a market buy for this example, and you know what, let's take 2 stocks, because why not? We're just going to hit buy, and we're going to take market buy. I'm going to place that order. Okay, cool. So order sent, market buy of 2 shares, and we've got an estimated total cost. So yeah, we can view the order status if we want. And you can see here that basically it was submitted and it was filled. But normally you don't even go into the screen. So let's actually go back to my portfolio. Or actually we can even just type it in up here again for drone delivery. Click on that, and then you can see here now that I have 2 shares for my total value of $4.20, and then I'm just going to go right ahead and sell these. Again, you have options for the different types of sells, but we're just going to go with a market sell and sell those 2 shares. And just like that, let's place the order. We have just sold those same 2 shares, and now I don't have these shares in my account anymore. So yeah, guys, that's it. It's super easy to buy and sell shares with Wealthsimple Trade, and it's really nice that there are no trading fees, because that didn't cost me anything just to do that example. And yeah, as you're going, if you're investing small amounts of money, it's quite nice to not pay fees, because if you pay like a $10 fee on a $50 transaction, or even in this case a $4 transaction, it doesn't make any sense at all. So yeah, that's how you buy and sell stocks in Wealthsimple Trade using the desktop app. I'll put a link somewhere on this page too, where you can also find the example where I go through buying and selling using the mobile app too.